Welcome to Motor Mania, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, the latest automotive trends, and expert insights into the most exciting vehicles on the market. Today, we're diving into the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500, a pickup that blends power, technology, and luxury in a way that redefines what a truck can be. Whether you're looking for rugged capability or modern sophistication, this Sierra aims to impress. Under the hood, the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 offers a range of powertrain options to cater to different needs. The base engine is a 2.7-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, delivering strong performance and efficiency. For those seeking more muscle, there's a 5.3-liter V8 and an even more powerful 6.2-liter V8, both offering excellent towing capabilities. Diesel lovers can opt for the 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel, known for its torque and fuel efficiency. These engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and optimal power delivery whether you're towing heavy loads or cruising on the highway. GMC has made significant strides in the Sierra's design, giving it a bold yet refined appearance. The truck features a commanding grille with updated LED headlights and signature C-shaped daytime running lights. The sculpted body lines enhance aerodynamics while maintaining a tough, durable look. Higher trims like the Denali and AT4X come with exclusive styling elements, premium wheels, and advanced off-road capabilities. The Multi-Pro tailgate, a signature GMC feature, provides 6 different functions to improve loading, unloading, and tailgate accessibility. Inside, the 2025 Sierra 1500 delivers a blend of luxury and functionality. The cabin is spacious, offering high-quality materials and a modern layout. Premium trims include real wood accents, leather upholstery, and heated and ventilated seats for maximum comfort. The driver-focused cockpit features a massive 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster provides customizable information, while an available 15-inch head-up display projects essential data onto the windshield. Technology plays a crucial role in the Sierra's appeal. The truck is equipped with Google built-in, providing hands-free access to Google Assistant, Maps, and Play Store apps. Wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a premium Bose audio system enhance the experience for both drivers and passengers. For off-road enthusiasts, the Sierra 1500 AT4X features an advanced suspension system with Multimatic DSSV dampers, front and rear locking differentials, and underbody skid plates to tackle challenging terrains with ease. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Sierra 1500, with GMC equipping it with the latest driver assistance technologies. The truck comes standard with automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Higher trims offer Super Cruise, GMC's advanced hands-free driving system that works on thousands of miles of compatible highways. Parking assistance, a 360-degree camera system, and rear cross-traffic alert add to the convenience and security of driving this pickup. When it comes to performance, the Sierra 1500 excels in both power and efficiency. The diesel engine delivers impressive fuel economy, making it a great choice for long hauls. The V8 engines provide robust towing capacity, with the Sierra capable of pulling up to 13,200 pounds when properly equipped. The truck's trailering technology includes an in-vehicle trailering app, multiple camera views, and a pro-grade trailering system to make towing more manageable. For those who want an off-road ready pickup, the AT4X trim offers additional rugged features. This includes a factory-installed lift, off-road tires, and terrain-selectable drive modes. The Denali Ultimate, on the other hand, focuses on luxury, featuring massaging seats, a micro-suede headliner, and an exclusive Vader chrome exterior trim. GMC ensures there's a Sierra 1500 for every type of driver, from workhorse needs to premium luxury preferences. GMC has also taken steps towards sustainability, introducing electrified options in its lineup. While the Sierra 1500 remains a gasoline and diesel-powered truck, GMC's push toward hybrid and electric powertrains indicates that future versions could incorporate electrification for improved efficiency and lower emissions. Overall, the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 is a well-rounded pickup that meets the demands of modern truck owners. Whether you need a reliable work truck, a luxurious daily driver, or a rugged off-roader, the Sierra has a model to suit your lifestyle. It combines power, advanced technology, safety, and luxury in a way that sets it apart from the competition. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500, make sure to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Motor Mania for more reviews, car comparisons, and the latest updates from the automotive world. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.